So I bought this today. It's a Bosch Bagless Cylinder Vacuum. It's got 1.3 dust capacity, washable filters and cyclone filtration, and it was in Argos for £34, and I thought I'd give it a go because it was really small and cute. The only thing I couldn't find on the Argos website was what the power was of it, and then I googled it and I found out that it was 900 watts, I think they call it. So yeah, we're just gonna open it and let's see how it looks like. It's really small. It says on here it said on the website is nearly 5 kilos. So we're gonna have a look, and Shayla's gonna help me in you. Shayla, you're doing your homework, but you're happy to help Mommy in you.
I'm happy to help Mommy.
So let's see what does it look like.
Yeah.
Because we had another Hoover before. It was from Tesco's. We bought it.
Yeah, it was really new, and now it's really broken.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put it to the garage, and you put it in the box.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So here we go.
Sell it.
Gonna have a look. Anyway, Shayla. Yeah. So that's the box.
Leave it outside.
Whoa.
Oh.
That's pretty, isn't it, Shayla?
Yeah,
It's got some smell to it.
yeah.
This is really long.
Get this table out.
Masha, you gonna help me?
Yeah.
What you got? Let me see. Show the camera. So it comes with this. You take it out of the bag.
Yeah, you.
Just gonna put everything there.
Yeah.
Comes with.
Mommy,
Yes.
is it
So
good like that?
you can twist. Yeah.
What is this like?
It's for hoovering, you know, little details and stuff. So you got a button and then you can press it. Once you do that, that little everything's come off,
Yeah.
as you can see.
Yeah.
So the hair is gonna catch up there, and you got little wheels.
The wheels already. Wheels already up. And you can do it.
And then you can put at the end. I don't know how's that gonna work.
That's
So
for
you
little
got this
things.
one.
For the cup. And a big
Yeah.
one.
Now let's see the hoover. Take out the bag. That's how it looks like. It's really cute. So you got a button to open it. Not sure how is that gonna come off. To look at that description. It's really small. It's really light.
Yeah, it's got this purple bit. It's really shiny and love it. And it's got all this big thing.
So you got this cord, and you can, when you press it, we're gonna go back.
Yeah. This one says turn on.
Yeah, and then you got a little sticker.
Yeah.
This is things about it.
Yeah, we already know to hoover it.
And that's it. The box is empty. Just got a little
Here's the straw.
guarantee. You just draw a picture, and then you get push manual. So
I just drawed some spots.
just shows how to use it. Just see.
I might just draw some cute little spots.
And she's gonna draw a picture because she loves drawing, isn't you?
Yes, I done a little spot.
So it just shows how you put things in there.
Now Christopher has put the Hoover on.
What are you doing? Silly. And now you can empty it and wash it. And that's it. So we're just gonna try to put it on. So that thing goes here, I think. Okay, so just see. Does it goes? That goes here. Not sure how it goes.
Okay, good book.
So this one should go here. All right. Maybe this way. So that one goes there. Okay, sure. That's gonna be cute. And then I will show you once it's finished. It's really simple to put on, and you can make it bigger or smaller. So that's how it look like. Yeah, so you can make it smaller by pressing this button, and you can make it smaller. Sorry, it's hard to do with one hand. You can make it smaller a little bit. So we're just gonna turn this on. Let's charge it here. I'm gonna just try it out. Take that. So yeah, take that thing off. Let's see how is it gonna. It's not really noisy, isn't it? It's not too bad. And the suction is really, really strong. It's really good hoover. I just want to show you how you can lift. If I put on the whole speed, you can literally lift my rug. So really happy about that. So I'm going to turn it off, and here we have it. Bosch Hoover. Really impressed. Love it. £34. Can't get better than this. Thank you for looking. Shall I say bye?